Hi, I'm Krishna, Assistant Bar Manager of Zuma Dubai. Established in 2008, Zuma Dubai has become a destination with an environment that focuses on guest interactions and the art of cocktail making. Being an award-winning venue, Zuma Dubai is well known for its ability to design immensely creative cocktails in a high-volume setting whilst retaining consistency. After 15 successful years, Zuma Dubai continues to bring an unparalleled energy to the Dubai bar scene. Today, I'll be making tanzan, which means fizz in Japanese. I personally enjoy Italian citrusy, zesty flavors with a little bit of fizz. In this drink, I'll be using Lyre's Italian Spritz, which offers a unique citrusy, bitter orange flavors with hints of rhubarb and saffron combined with strawberry and bay leaf, yuzu, and finished with yuzu tonic. We want to deliver the Zuma bar experience to everyone the same way, whether they consume alcohol or not. And Lyre's enables bars like us to deliver the same sophisticated flavors while enjoying non-alcoholic cocktails. We look forward to welcoming you to Zuma Dubai.